Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to do exercise which is on page number 59, and what you have to do, you have to write date here on page number 59. And what is the date today? 13/3/2021. Okay, 13th March, that is your Saturday. 30 third month, that is March in 2000 year 21. So you have to write date here, and after writing date you have to start working with filling the blanks. So be ready with your pencil, eraser and sharpener. Now what we have to do, we have to write the words given here in the blanks. So what are the words here? Brush, size, shapes, paint. All the words are related with paintbrush. Now dash tool contains airbrush option. We have seen there airbrush option. Where is that airbrush option? So it is in your brush tool. Dash button is used to select spray size of an airbrush. That is your size button. The polygon tool is present in the dash group. Polygon is present in the shapes group. The dash button contains the save option. Which button contains save option? Paint button. Moving on to next, we have to write T for true statement and false for false statements. F for false statement means your wrong statement. The polygon tool works similar to line tool. They are saying similar, मतलब उसमें भी हम lines draw करते हैं for your polygons. If we write true, let us see. It's wrong. It's not your line tool. It's your polygon. We have made the star with that polygon tool. The airbrush tool is used to spray colors. Yes, true. All the tools have the similar functions. False. The office button in paint contains the open option. True. So what are our answers? False, true, false and okay. Office button in the paint contain office open option. It's not file रहता, तो it's your false. Okay. So it's your false. Now moving on to next. Tick the best answer. To open paint, click on start. Then where we have to click all programs, accessories and paint. What you can do? I told you to encircle that so that you can easily identify what is our answer. The open option is present in dash button. It is in your paint button. Okay, not on office button. Dash tool is used to fill colors in a drawing. Fill with color. Okay, it's your fill with color. Second option is also given, fill with color. We can select the save option by clicking on paint button. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to encircle the right answers. Fill with color, not only fill color. Okay, it's fill with color, and then your fill. So these are the right answers. Then write in one word. We have to write answer in one word. Which option do we select to open drawing that we have saved? Open. In which group do we select any color? Color group. Which tool is used to draw polygon? Polygon tool. Which tool is used to create a spray effect in a picture? Air brush. Okay, so write down this in your book. Page number is question and answers के लिए you have to turn the page. Page number is your 60. Then one match the column is there in your book. Three shapes are here like your spray paint, then your oval and polygon is here, and pencil, line and fill bucket is on this side, and the things are written here at the center. So you have to match. You can match from anywhere. So what is that? This is your airbrush. So you have to draw a line to your airbrush. Okay. Then you have to draw a line to oval. Then polygon. Okay. So polygon, oval and airbrush. You have to draw the lines like that. And for pencil you can draw the line from this direction. Here it is given in this way. So I am drawing line here. Pencil. This is your pencil. This is your line. Okay, on the top. And this is your fill with color. So do this in your book. After that, there are some drawings which are on page number 61. You can see different drawings are drawn on page number 61. So try to draw that drawings on page number 61. That's all for today. Bye bye.